Hey there, welcome back to my channel. You ever wanted your mobile device appearing on the screen of your computer? And in this video, I'll show you how to install that tool and boost your productivity during working with the Android phones. But before we dive in, we need two prerequisites. The first one is ADB, so ADB should be installed on your device. And the second one is USB debugging one should be enabled. And let's get started. So first of all, we'll visit the page. I'll show you where to download the actual package. We'll install the tool called scrcpy. I think it's called scrcpy. There are multiple installation options, and you can basically install it on all operation systems. You can install it even on Windows, but I have macOS, and it can be installed from the releases, but I also have another option, which is Homebrew, and I just installed it using Homebrew with just one easy command. After we actually install the application, we need to make sure that our phone is connected to the computer. Then we'll check if it's working. Then using ADB, we'll check if it's connected properly. Then when I see that my device is available, I just simply run the command scrcpy. In a matter of seconds, I have a fully working Android device appearing on my screen. And I can basically do everything with this screen as it would be my phone. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one. Bye.